Welcome my dear children. In this video we are going to see exercise 2.4 sums. Already we completed 3 sums. Next we are going to see fourth one. Draw the top, front and side view of the following solid shape. So they given some solid shapes here. We are going to draw top view, front view and side view. So here this is the solid shape they given. What is the top view? See the top. If you see the top now, you will get 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. You know. So you have to draw 3 boxes. Okay. Next, front view. If you are seeing this is the front view. How it look like? It look like say T. Am I right? So like that we have to draw this front view. Say how many boxes here? 1, 2, 3. Here also that bottom 1, 2, 3. So 3 squares and also here 3 squares. Okay. Next see the side view. So if you see this solid shape side view now, this will be look like same. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes only for these 3 squares only. This is the 3 squares. Okay. Next move on to second shape. So this is the shape they given, the solid shape. We are going to write top view, front view and side view. Top view. If you see on the top now, these 2 boxes will be the top view. Okay. So that draw the 2 squares. Next front view now, it looks like front L shape, you know. So how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So draw that squares and the shape of L. Next side view. If you see inside that, these 3 squares will be looked at. So 3 squares draw here. Okay, do you understand this? Move on to fifth sum. Next we are going to see fifth one. Guna has a fixed single door of width 3 feet in his room, whereas Nathan has fixed double door of width 1.5 feet in his room. Find the closed portion if each of the single and double doors can open up to 120 degree, whose door makes a minimum area. So here you have 2 persons, that is one is Guna and Nathan. So Guna fixed a single door. So you know single door means only one door. So of width, the width of that door is 3 feet. Then Nathan fixed double door. Double door means 2 doors. You are closing like this, you know, that is. Okay. So that double door, that door width is 1.5 feet in his room. So what they asked to find now, find the closed portion if each of the single and double doors can open up to 120 degree. So I am going to open that door into 120 degree. So 120 degree angle I am opening that both doors, single door and then double door. They ask how much area, whose door makes a minimum area. So first we are going to find how much area is covered by single door and how much area is covered by double door, which is minimum, which door occupies the less area. They ask whether single door occupies the less area or double door occupies the less area. We are going to find. So imagine this one has door. Okay. So I am moving that door to how many angle? 120 degree angle I am moving that door. Okay. So now I am going to find this area. Okay. This area, first we have to find this is first single door. Okay. Say this. So width of the door that Guna fixed. So Guna no single door only no. So the door that Guna fixed is 3 feet. When the door is opened, the radius of the sector. So the width of the door is 3 feet. Then it will make a sector here. This width of the door will become radius of this sector. Then R value will become 3. So that angle next radius of the sector will become 3 feet. Then angle covered they given 120 degree. That is nothing but theta equal to 120 degree. Now we are going to find area of this sector. Now it look like a sector, you know. So area of sector. Area of sector, what is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square units. So right, area required to open the single door. Am I right? Single door. Okay. Single door equal to, write the formula, area of sector formula, theta by 360 into pi r square square units. So theta value they given as 120 degree. 120 divided by 360 into pi value they didn't given, just write pi as it is. R is 3 feet, you know. So r square na 3 into 3. Now cancel this. So 12 ones are 12, 3 are 3 will get cancelled. You will get the answer as 3 pi square feet. Okay. So single door, the area of the single area occupied by the single door is 3 pi square unit. Now move on to the double door. Okay. So width of the double door, that northern fixed equal to 1.5 feet. 1 by 2 feet. Convert this into mixed fraction. Sorry, improper fraction. It is in mixed fraction. Convert into improper fraction, you get 3 by 2 feet. Here also the angle is 120 degree only. It is theta equal to 120 degree. Here this 3 by 2 feet will be the radius of the sector. Okay. So our value is 3 by 2. So area required to open. Here double door. 2 doors are there. Now here you have only single door. Here you have double doors. It will occupy. When you rotate like this, it will see this. So this will rotate now, you get like this. This is single door. This one is the another door like this you will get. Okay. So 2 areas you got, you know. So 2 into area of the sector. So 2 into area of the sector formula, you know, theta by 360 into pi r square units. Theta is 120 degree divided by 360 into pi into r means 3 by 2. R square na 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Now simplification, 0 will get cancelled. 12 ones are 12 threes are 3 will get cancelled. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get 3 by 2 pi. So I written as 3 pi by 2 square feet. So 1 by 2 into 3 pi, that is nothing but 1 by 2 into area of single door. Am I right? So area of single door. So that is double door area is half of the single door. Am I right? Half of the area of the single door. Then which will be minimum, which will be occupied the minimum area now? Definitely the double door will require the minimum area. Did you understand this sum? Okay. Next move on to sixth one. In a rectangular field which measures 15 meter into 8 meter, cows are tied with a rope of length 3 meter at 4 corners of the field, and also at the center find the area of the field where no cows can graze. So here you have one rectangular field. So imagine this is a rectangular field, okay, which measures, the measure of that rectangular field they given 15 meter length and 8 meter breadth. Okay, so cows are tied with a rope of length 3 meter at 4 corners. So in these 4 corners, a cow is tied with a rope. Okay, then about 3 meter, the length of the rope is 3 meter. So if cow rotate like this now, in 3 meter only it will walk like this, you know. So in the corners it will occupy 3 meter radius. Okay, so what they asked to find, and also at the center. So in this center also one cow is tied with the rope. Then the radius of this circle should be 3 meter. Okay, so find the area of field where no cows can graze. So what is the area? They asked, the cow doesn't graze. So here I shaded that area. Here the cow will be grazed in this 4 parts and the center full circle. So this is the shaded part is the area that no cow will be grazed. Okay, this area we are going to find. So how to find the area of this shaded portion? So you have to find area of rectangle first. Okay, the whole area will come. Next, so what are the area not shaded here? Here on sector quadrant, circular quadrant, here circular quadrant, here also the radius is 3 only, you know. So 4 into circular quadrant, 4 circular quadrants and then 1 circle, area of 1 circle. Okay, if you find this area and subtract from the area of the rectangle now, you will get area of this shaded portion. Do you understand this? Move on to sum now. So rectangle, the length given as 15 meter and breadth is given as 8 meter. So area of the rectangle, what is the formula? L into B square unit. Substitute the values, you get 15 into 8. 15 8s are 120 meter square. So next move on to this. Radius of this circle is 3 meter. So area of the 4 quadrant circle. First I am going to find this 4 quadrant of circle. So 4 quadrant of circle. So 4 into, what is the area of quadrant of a circle now? 1 by 4 into pi r square. Okay. So 4 will get cancelled. Pi value 3.14 into r is here 3 meter. 3 into r square na 3 into 3. Multiply these 3 numbers, you will get 28.26 meter square. So now I find the area of this 4 quadrants. Next move on to this area of this circular quadrant. Circular, okay. Area of the circle at the middle equal to, what is area of circle formula? Pi r square, which is equal to pi value 3.14 into r square na 3 into 3. Multiply these 3 numbers, you get 28.26 meter square. So area of the field that cow can graze. First find this, how much area cow can graze. Now here the area of 4 circular quadrants plus area of the circle at the middle. So both we got the same answer only, 28.26 plus 28.26. So you will get, add these two, you will get 56.52 meter square. So what they asked to find? Area of the field where no cow can graze. So area of the field where no cows can graze equal to, the whole area means area of rectangle minus area of the field that cows can graze equal to. So area of rectangle we got 120 minus area of the field that cow can graze now 56.52 meter square. So totally we get, subtract these two, already know how to subtract. 120.00 56.52. So borrow from here 1 to become 10. Borrow from this, here you get 10, here will be 9, here 10, 9. So subtract 2 from 10, now you get 8, 5 from 9 now 4, 0.6 from 9, 3, 5 from 1, sorry 11 from 5, 5 from 11 will get 6. So you will get 63.48 meter square. So area where none of the cows can graze, that is no cows can graze, equal to 63.48 meter square. So I think you are all understood the sum. Thank you.